Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to find the solution about Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Netflix app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.